10 insane small-town retail ideas that will make you rich in 2024. $10,000 or more per month potential. What's up, Empire Builders? Welcome back to Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. If you've been dreaming of a business that not only serves your community but also generates $10,000 or more a month, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the untapped gold mine of small-town retail opportunities. These aren't your run-of-the-mill corner store ideas. I'm talking about innovative, future-ready concepts that are perfectly suited for towns with populations under 30,000. Let's break down 10 genius retail ideas that can revolutionize your local economy and your bank account. 1. The 24/7 Pet Emergency Supply Hub. Potential income, $8,000 to $15,000 per month. Imagine this, it's 2 a.m., and someone's dog is having a crisis. They need medication, special food, or even an emergency leash, but there's nowhere open to help. That's where you come in. Why it works. Pet owners spend generously on their fur babies. Emergencies can happen anytime, and convenience is king. What to offer? Essentials like pet medications, emergency food, grooming kits, and leashes. Bonus, a pet photo booth or grooming station to drive additional traffic. How to stand out? Partner with local vets for referrals. Install 24/7 self-serve lockers for emergency items to keep overhead low. Startup costs, $40,000 to $60,000. Break-even timeline, 8 to 12 months. Pro tip, market heavily online and through social media to ensure pet owners know your service is available when they need it most. 2. Farm-to-fridge automated market. Potential income, $12,000 to $20,000 per month. Farm-to-table dining is great, but what about farm-to-fridge convenience? This idea allows small-town residents to enjoy fresh, local produce at their convenience. Why it works. Residents value local products but lack easy access. Automation keeps staffing minimal. How it works. Farmers deliver goods like vegetables, meats, and dairy directly to refrigerated lockers. Customers place orders via a mobile app and pick them up anytime. Startup costs, $75,000 to $100,000. Break-even timeline, 12 to 15 months. Bonus idea, include recipe kits featuring locally sourced ingredients for higher profit margins. 3. Multicultural cuisine convenience hub. Potential income, $10,000 to $18,000 per month. Many small towns lack authentic international food options. By catering to this underserved niche, you can offer a taste of the world while becoming a local favorite. Why it works. Increasing diversity in small towns creates demand for multicultural food. What to include? International snacks, spices, and ready-to-heat ethnic meals. Collaborate with immigrant communities for authentic recipes. Startup costs, $50,000 to $70,000. Break-even timeline, 10 to 14 months. Pro tip. Offer services like international money transfers to attract even more foot traffic. 4. Senior Tech Support and Convenience Center. Potential income, $7,000 to $14,000 per month. The senior population in small towns is growing, and many older residents struggle with technology. Combine a convenience store with tech support to meet their unique needs. What to offer? Smartphone setup and troubleshooting. Basic computer classes and support. A prescription delivery service for added convenience. Startup costs, $35,000 to $55,000. Break-even timeline, 6 to 9 months. Pro tip. Offer tech support subscriptions for recurring revenue. 5. Outdoor Adventure Supply Station. Potential income, $15,000 to $25,000 per month. If your small town is near a lake, hiking trail, or campground, this idea is a no-brainer. Outdoor enthusiasts need supplies, and they'll gladly pay for convenience. What to offer? Automated lockers for camping, fishing, or hiking gear rentals. Emergency supplies like first aid kits, maps, and weather-specific gear. Startup costs, $60,000 to $90,000. Break-even timeline, 8 to 12 months. Bonus tip, include booking services for local guides to create an all-in-one adventure hub. 6. Smart Locker Laundry and Convenience. Potential income, $9,000 to $16,000 per month. Imagine a convenience store with a modern twist smart lockers for laundry drop-off and pickup. It's perfect for busy locals and tourists alike. How it works. Customers leave their dirty laundry in lockers and schedule a pickup time via an app. Partner with hotels or Airbnbs for steady business. Startup costs, $70,000 to $100,000. Break-even timeline, 12 to 16 months. Pro tip, include vending machines stocked with snacks and detergents to increase revenue. 7. Local artisan marketplace and convenience. Potential income, $11,000 to $20,000 per month. Celebrate the creativity of your town by creating a space where artisans can sell their goods. Add convenience items to keep foot traffic high. What to include? Handmade crafts, art, and locally sourced products. mini workshops for crafting and DIY projects, startup costs $45,000 to $65,000, break-even timeline 9 to 12 months. Pro tip: host monthly artisan markets to create buzz and bring in new customers. 8. Health and Wellness Mini Hub, potential income $13,000 to $22,000 per month. Wellness trends are everywhere, and small-town residents want access to health-focused options too. Create a one-stop shop for all things wellness. What to include: a smoothie bar with healthy snacks, vitamins, supplements, and meal prep stations. Startup costs $55,000 to $80,000. Break-even timeline 10 to 14 months. Bonus idea: partner with local gyms or yoga studios for promotions. 9. DIY auto care and convenience, potential income $14,000 to $24,000 per month. For car-savvy DIYers, this is a dream come true. Provide everything they need to maintain their vehicles without leaving town. What to offer: auto parts, emergency supplies, and basic tools. Self-service car wash bays and quick oil changes. Startup costs $80,000 to $120,000. Break-even timeline 12 to 18 months. Bonus tip: offer membership plans for unlimited car washes to build loyalty. 10. Smart Home and Security Hub, potential income $10,000 to $19,000 per month. Smart home technology isn't just for the big cities. Small-town homeowners are catching on and need a trusted local provider. What to offer: sales and demos for smart home devices, installation services for security cameras and systems. Startup costs $50,000 to $75,000. Break-even timeline 9 to 13 months. Pro tip: partner with local contractors to create seamless installation packages. Bonus tip: scaling your small-town empire. Each of these concepts has built-in scalability. Start in one location, refine your process, and then expand to nearby towns. With consistent effort and smart execution, you could transform one store into a regional retail powerhouse within 18 months. Final thoughts. The key to success with any of these ideas is understanding your community's needs and executing with precision. Small-town retail is a hidden treasure, and with the right strategy, it could lead to financial freedom and community impact. Thanks for tuning in to Kingdom Cash. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more game-changing business ideas. Remember, be kind, be humble, and always give back. The world needs more empire builders like you. See you next time, empire builders.